everyone, my name is Pooja Gandhi and welcome to my course Tableau Desktop Specialist, Organizing Data and Applying Filters. I am a Director of Analytics Engineering here at Pluralsight and also a two-time Tableau Zen Master. Tableau is an industry-leading data visualization tool. This course is part of our path to the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification. Raw data can sometimes be messy and inconsistent. In this course, you will learn how to organize your data in a way that is more usable and consistent. Some of the major topics that we will cover include learning how you can use the filter shelf so you only see the relevant data in your view, discovering how order of operations can impact results, and finally, you will learn how you can create groups, hierarchies, and sets. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of organizing data needed to consistently use them in your views and calculations. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose and a general knowledge of navigating through the tool and know how to connect to your data. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Tableau with courses on applying analytics to a worksheet, formatting views for presentations, and creating and modifying a dashboard. I hope you will join me on this journey to prepare for the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification exam with the Tableau Desktop Specialist Organizing Data and Applying Filters course at Pluralsight.